Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 188. If we start with this row, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got a 3 covering this box and a 3 covering this box, so our 3 must be here. We've got an 8 here, so this is our 1, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 2 here and a 9 here, so this is our 5. That 9 means this is our 2, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 4, 3 here, so 1, 4. That means our 3 has to be here. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 7, and no help here, 1, 4, 7. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 2, 5 here, so 1, 2. That means that our 5 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got the 7 here, so 1, 6, 6 and 7 here. So 1, that 6 makes this our 7, 6. That 1 makes this our 2, 1. For this box now, we're missing a 4. And for this box, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. That 1 makes this our 4, 1. And we can get rid of this 4 now. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 4, 3 here, so 6, 3. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. Got an 8 here, so 2, 4. 4 here, so 2, 8. 2 here, so 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. That 2 makes this our 4, 8, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this top row, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. Oh, and this 1 makes this our 7, 1. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this column, we're missing a 1. And for this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.